Please visit our playlists. Photoshop with t-shirt printing, CorelDRAW with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, Filmora video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, sorry, skincare, travel vlog, chess assassin playlist. Shout out to the following:
Bia, El Prisco, this game happened in Bucharest between Nezmetdinov and Pauli. Nezmetdinov opens with e4. And Pauli replies with c5, the Sicilian defense. It is wise to leave the queen in the line of fire from your opponent's rook. This move kicked the queen from protecting the f7 pawn. Now black threatens mate on a2. And black resigns in this position.
That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.